Hey guys, Aniket here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be explaining everything you need to know about bridging visa. It's a crucial document that keeps your stay legal and stress free. I will break it down step by step even if you are hearing this term first time. Plus I will share some useful tips to make this process easier for you. Let's get started. Bridging visa is like a temporary safety net for your stay in Czech Republic. Imagine this. Your current visa or residence permit has expired, but you have already applied for a new one or an extension within the deadline. The bridging visa ensures you can stay in country legally. It's the proof that you are following the rules and waiting for the government to finalize your application. In most of the cases, if your application is being processed, then you don't need to do anything. You can stay legally in Czech Republic without any extra documents needed. Police or Ministry of Interior can verify your status. But there are some cases in which you need bridging visa. Number 1. Traveling outside Czech Republic or your hometown. If you plan to leave and return before your new visa is approved. Working in international transportation. For example, if you are a truck driver or pilot traveling across the borders. Number 3. Renewing your trade license. If you are self-employed or running a business, this visa might be required for legal updates. If any of these situations applies to you, then bridging visa is necessary. Duration of bridging visa depends on how much time is required to complete your application. Usually, the Ministry of Interior will decide validity of your bridging visa. Quick tip. If your application gets delayed, make sure check with the ministry to avoid any issues with the bridging visa's expiration date. Getting a bridge visa is straightforward and here is how you can get it. Number 1. Visit the Ministry of Interior in person. You must go to their office. Bring your travel document. This is your passport or another official ID. For children under 15, a legal representative like parent can handle it. Just make sure to bring the child's original travel document. Bridging visa is usually issued on the spot, so no waiting time is required. Once you have a bridging visa, here is what it allows you to do. Stay legally in Czech Republic, even if your previous visa or residence permit has expired. Travel internationally. You can leave the country and return while your application is still in progress. It's a practical document that offers peace of mind during your waiting period. Now let's talk about the cost. Usually bridging visa is free, but make sure you check with the Ministry of Interior in case of any changes. As for the restrictions, here are some of the things that you should be keeping in mind. It's not a work permit. If your employment requires a visa, make sure your employer knows about your application status. Limited validity. Remember, this isn't a long-term solution. It's valid until your new application is processed. Stay proactive by keeping a track of your visa expiration date and any updates from the ministry. To wrap up, here are some top tips that I would suggest. Apply on time. Don't wait until the last minute to extend your residence permit or visa. Double check your documents. Make sure your application is complete to avoid delays. Stay informed. Check the ministry's website and contact them for updates on your application status. By staying organized, you will save a lot of time and avoid unnecessary stress. And that's everything you need to know about bridging visa in Czech Republic. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Apart from this, I put some really important information like job fairs in Czech Republic on my Instagram channel. So make sure you follow me there as well. Thank you.